Got it. I'm dynamic and results-oriented, with extensive experience as a receptionist, product specialist, and concierge. I'm always polite and never go off script. I guess you can say I'm a real people person. Well, sort of. Go ahead, check out my experience by selecting below. Integration is exciting, isn't it? I certainly think so. My 3 favorite letters, API. You can expand my functionality with available APIs. Possibilities are endless. Just think, I integrate with your third-party applications, databases, and IoT devices. What do you say? Let's connect.